network. So we take care of the young people. I think they feel like a positive life. I give a big shout out to Shanti and the group for putting this together. I think it's with the community, so big shout out to Shanti. We're going to do a silly exercise for our city awards. So please stand up. Everyone stand up, please. Please stand up. You can do this very simple. Okay?
Very
You can follow what I do. Very simple. Just follow what I do. You may sit down. What that sitting exercise did? 3 things. One is stimulates the vagus nerve. Vagus nerve is in your parasympathetic system.
How are you?
It keeps
Morning.
you calm, collected, and
What
you move.
what team are you guys with?
Hi, Tim. Hi,
Number
Joe.
2,
Oh wow.
when you put
Looks
your
like she's pretty good.
fingers together, it's all about unity. We're all coming together. We can't do this alone. It takes the village to do this, okay? There's no woman or man.
How are you?
And we need the community, so coming
How you doing,
together
sir?
builds strength. Last but not least, who's laughing is all about cheering. You know, we're here to cheer you on, okay? That's why I'm here. You know, cheer you on not only in these games, but in the game of life. You know, we need one another, okay? We lean on each other to make it. Alright, so let me give you a brief bio. So my name is Wilfred Alec. You know, I was born and raised in the Marshall Islands. I went to Xavier High School. Any Xavier High School? Anybody went to Xavier High School? Alright, so and then I went to John Burns School of Medicine here at the University of Hawaii. And I've been practicing medicine for about 25 plus years, so you know, I'm showing my age now, my age, okay, so it's been a long time. So I'm going to be really brief. You know, I just want to give you a few advice, what I've learned along the way. And I didn't want to get the games going, so I'm going to be really quick. First, you got to believe in yourself, okay? You got to believe no matter what, okay? You got to believe that you can do this, all right? You gotta start with that belief. Without the belief, you ain't gonna do anything, okay? We're all Christians. We all believe that we're all created in the same image, in God's image. So we have the same mental and physical capacity as anyone else. Okay? We can do it. Alright? Number 2, you can do this, okay? You have the ability to do this. Alright? If we look at our history, our ancestors were one of the best, the massive navigators in the world. You know, they sailed the open ocean, okay? They were astronomers, oceanographers, they were scientists. And they figured the world out, okay? So there's a thing called epigenetics. It passes on to the next generation. So you all have that native intelligence, okay? You have that native intelligence. Do this. So don't ever doubt yourself. Never. Okay? You can do it. If I can do it, any of you can do it. Okay? In whatever area or pursuit you do. Okay? It doesn't matter. In the pilots, you know, it doesn't matter. You can do it. Number 3, always remember where you came from. Always remember where you came from. Because when you do that, it gives you a sense of identity, pride. Okay? Also, it speaks to humility that you were here because of others. There were people that made sure that you're here. Okay? There were people that made sure they're here, so never forget where you came from. Alright? And last but not least, always be grateful. Okay? Living in gratitude, okay? You gotta be grateful for what you have. You take care of this day, and tomorrow we'll take care of ourselves. Anyway, may the best team win. Come on.
Machine laat je.
That's final.
That's good.
Maar we final. Aku kan. Baik ku dah lepas dia dah tahu.
Can I sit here?